Jacob Leal. What is happening with this case?
On this one, Judge, the state, I spoke to the state, there's supposed to be a phone dump from the victim's phone that they're supposed to get to me. They haven't gotten it yet. So they don't even have it to give to me. That's what we're waiting on. We've only had really one setting before this, and that was on the motion for bond reduction. We ended up withdrawing that motion, or sorry, we ended up holding that hearing because the state and I agreed. We got that signed. He is now out, and we're starting the beginning of the handling the case, Judge.
All right. So everyone, please lower your voices. Other than the discovery for the phone, is there anything else?
I don't believe so, Judge. Not to my knowledge, but obviously once I get the phone.
And is there CPS records?
I don't believe as of right now there are.
I don't believe so in this case.
Okay.
Just in case we'll look into that.
Any school records that are needed?
Uh,
Any therapy records?
That I'm not aware of any therapy that she's ever went to.
All right. I need a discovery date. End of January. All right, we'll come back on January 26th for discovery. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thanks.
All right, just have a seat. You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Anyone else ready?
Please, 6-1 down.
Logan McBride.
Where's the judge? Morning.
Good morning. How's it going?
Take your hand out of your pocket.
Oh, hands out of pockets, deputies. All right. So on this case, where are we on discovery?
I just got hired 6 days ago. There was no e-discovery at all. I had a front prosecutor storage drive. He's hoping to maybe have it ready maybe tomorrow, because I'm leaving town for the rest of the year on Thursday.
Okay.
If I don't get it tomorrow, then I won't get it till after January.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for discovery and for the state to tender an offer at the end of January. All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Basilio Correa. Hello. Hey, you're gonna lose your wallet like that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That would be a shame to have that happen this close. All right, on this case, today is your plea deadline date.
Judge, we are unable to resolve this by plea bargain and are requesting a trial date.
Right, how long do you expect this trial? A week?
With this type of charges.
A week or 4 days?
4 days.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, your jury trial date.
March 20.
All right, your jury trial date is going to be March 24th. Your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not consider any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you'll be open to the court. Do you understand? Great, thank you. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring the resets form, and I need an acknowledgement of discovery completed.
Do we know that's not? Oh,
Okay, all right, thank you.
Judge, can I approach?
Yes. Just 1 second. I'm sorry. I have to answer this.
Where's Judge?
Yes.
Clinton Dixon is set for sentencing on the 18th.
Let me see. What's the cause number?
It's 2024 CR 009596. And really, the principal case is 2024 CR 01247.
Just a second. Let me go back and put that cause number in.
Sure.
Was that one he got sentenced on? Okay.
Okay, so anyhow, he's entered a
Oh,
plea.
what's the other cause number?
Oh, it's 2024 CR 012476. 01247.
Yes.
We're set for sentencing on the 18th. You had given me money to work with Dr. Murphy to make a report, which she has done,
Mhm.
but I need her for testimony at sentencing, and she's unavailable on the 18th.
She can't do it by Zoom?
The secretary is telling me that she's out of town and is not available. So I'm asking if you would like me to file for a continuance.
Who is this? Is this family violence?
It's no judge, it's really an ag robbery case involving brass knuckles.
Well, you want to talk to the criminal trial division, see if they have any objections?
Okay, we'll do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Judge, prosecutors have no objection.
Okay, just give me 1 second, because I switched to another system to put this in. And so just give me 2 seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
So, state, hi, could you come forward on this briefly? This one, his case, do y'all have witnesses?
No, it'll just be argument.
Okay, so you just have witnesses, and how many witnesses?
Just the one.
All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
can you recall this for the new year? It's 2024 CR 012476. The defense's witness is unavailable. So can you call it for the week of January 12th? Do we have any room in there? 12th,
Either judge.
the 12th.
Notice the pattern here. Continuances, unavailable witnesses, rescheduled sentencing. This is real courtroom life. Cases don't move on drama, they move on availability. And when expert witnesses can't show up, entire timelines collapse. It's procedural, it's frustrating, and it happens more than people realize.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, thank you for
You're
your
welcome.
courtesy on that. Appreciate that.
Antonio Corrales.
Apparently he just stepped out to the restroom after I signed him.
Okay, no problem. People love staying with us. But who's the prosecutor? Who's the prosecutor on this case?
It's CTD, Your Honor.
CTD? Antonio Valentin Corrales?
He's still waiting. He hasn't had his evaluation, Judge. I texted with Monica, coordinator down there this morning, and she says since she's here, we can go down there and get a date because just waiting for one hasn't been working.
Oh. Well, if you could go down there with him, get your date, and then if you'll come back here and let me know what the date is.
Okay.
All right, and then we'll take care of it. Cool. All right, thank
Thanks,
you.
Judge.
All right, Adriana Tanahara.
She's in custody, Your Honor, and they have not brought her over yet.
Okay. All right, then she needs to appear by Zoom or either be brought over. Which one is it going to be? Well, I see she's still at the jail. Can she appear by Zoom? Oh, there's paperwork.
Just the search. It's an MTR.
Then she'll have to come over.
Okay, I have to be in municipal court for a trial setting, and I understand, that's why I came here first. But I told them I was gonna come here first, and they expect me over. And then I have city council this afternoon.
All right, so she can do it by Zoom. They can send her the paperwork to sign.
Okay.
All right, they'll do that, but they'll need, I think your email to do for her to sign the document.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
You're welcome. Orlando Medine. Yes.
So, this is his father. If you could stay back there. Yeah, it's let's recall it. Sorry. That is right now. So Judge, we're here because probation asked that this matter be set for compliance. Mr. Meridian has satisfied ISF completely, satisfied all conditions without incident. And I believe it's just the status to see if the GPS was going to be ordered after all. I think it was the order of the court that upon ISF to reevaluate to see if the GPS condition needed to in fact go through. But speaking with probation, they're recommending that that condition be satisfied. Mr. Median has checked in with the probation office upon him completing ISF successfully. He has his next meeting January 7th, and he has had no contact with the complaining witness. This
So
case,
is he still on GPS now or no?
he does not have the device on, Judge. Immediately upon him getting released to probation, I guess probation evaluated to see if there was a need for it. And in their opinion, I believe they brought this matter before the court because they're suggesting that they're wishing that it not be ordered, that condition be satisfied. So that's what we're requesting in conjunction with the probation's recommendation.
State is opposed to such condition being satisfied after speaking with the victim in the case to get her thoughts on the matter. She's so very much afraid of the defendant. It was a very traumatizing experience for her, and she would feel more comfort knowing that he's being monitored and his whereabouts can be known at all times.
All right, probation.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Medine, this is what the court will do. And I'll tell you why I'm going to do what I'm going to do and explain it to you, all right? So a lot of times when people have different issues going on in their life and they end up in a facility on lockdown, then when they get out, they're given all of this freedom. And sometimes complainants are a little bit afraid of that. I know that you're doing well. Your attorney has told me you're doing well. Holiday season is very tricky for people who are not even on probation, because you deal with family issues. The stressors of family, the stresses of holidays, people trying to make the holidays perfect when that's, gift giving is not supposed to be what the holidays is about, but people get caught up in that. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do GPS. I want the fees waived. We're going to do tracking only. So he'll be able to go wherever he needs to go. There's no curfew related to it, but it's just to see how you're doing. And if you do well on that tracking, come back in February and the court will consider removing of it.
Okay.
All right. So I hope you understand why I'm doing what it's sort of like sometimes when you send children off to college and they've never been away from home and they get their freedom and they just go crazy sometimes.
I do think that does make sense. I did speak with him about the tracking, the partial and the full, and what those things entail, and that if it was just not ordered, it may be tracking. I did explain to him that, and it's a step up approach. He does well and shows compliance with that. The court will be willing, hopefully, to work with him in February or January. So yes, Your Honor, I'll get him up to speed on that, and then I'll notify the court upon him showing compliance and to seek modification.
And with the tracking only, does he need to go to the jail to have that fitted since I'm waiving fees or no?
To have the device fitted?
Yes, because I'm waiving fees.
I believe so, Judge, but I'll look into it because
All right,
he's still,
so-
in essence, I mean, his movement can be monitored if need be, but nobody's going to monitor it if there's no track.
Yeah.
This compromise is key. GPS monitoring without restrictions. It's not punishment, it's observation. Think of it as the court saying, we trust you, but we're watching. And what happens next depends entirely on compliance.
So because
So-
there's no schedule.
So when I say go to the jail, you're not going to the jail to stay there. You're just going there so they can fit you with a monitor. So there's not a warrant or anything for you.
Yes, sir.
So as I'm saying, it's going to be GPS, waive fees, tracking only. And you're going to need to have that state. Do you have any objection, Rick? Do you have any objection for him obtaining that no later than Friday?
This Friday?
Yes.
No objection.
All right, so you'll need to have that obtained no later than Friday by 3 p.m. Is that doable for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. And of course, if you're able to get it today, then get it today.
He would just follow the instructions of probation, who's going to help coordinate the device for him. Is that correct?
Yes. All right. Do you have any questions about anything?
No, ma'am.
All right. So other than this, how's everything going?
It's going good. I completed my ISF and I'm feeling a lot better.
Awesome. So here's the thing. Make sure that you stay med compliant and everything.
Yes, ma'am.
And if there's an issue with your med, because sometimes people have side effects,
Yes.
just let your doctor know
Yes, ma'am.
and talk to your attorney about it, okay?
Okay.
Don't just fall off the radar.
No, ma'am.
And in this court, communication is key. So if there's an issue, let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can come back to the court.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.